Welcome to 3 Good and 3 Bad with the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab TRD Sport. Now, how much pickup do you actually need? Does it have to be able to scale mountains, hunt dinosaurs, and destroy sports cars in a straight line? If you taste a line just below that full-scale level, this Tacoma might be perfect for you. It's been recently upgraded with important bits like a new rear suspension and disc brakes all around, but is there enough here to still make it work for you? Good thing number one is actually another new bit, the powertrain. I love this hybrid iForce Max unit with a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a battery that combines for 326 horsepower and a super grunty 465 pound-feet of torque. The Tacoma sounds mean and it's quick. There's plenty of power for towing and hauling, much more so than the old V6. But if you were expecting the hybrid to help with fuel economy, that's not really its purpose. I averaged about 22 miles per gallon, which is fine, but the range was less than 300 miles, and that could be an annoyance once you put your Tacoma to use. Good thing number two, the interior. It might be Toyota's entry-level truck, but there's a lot of details here, from tiny screws around the climate control to the SofTex that covers the comfortable seats. The 14-inch screen is huge, there's even a sunroof. Really, the Tacoma is a good deal, even this fully loaded example. But even with the double cab, it's tight in the back. The bench is upright, and though the room is good to have if you have an emergency, you'll want a full-size truck if you plan on carrying humans as your main cargo. Lastly is the Tacoma's versatility. This TRD Sport model has a suspension and tires aimed more at on-road comfort and handling, but is still capable in the dirt and snow. Now, New Jersey had a blizzard with 2 feet of snow while it stayed with me, and the Tacoma never blinked. But if you need more, they offer an off-road model with real dirt tires. Still, this is a pickup, and with the sport's firmer suspension, the ride can be rough and bouncy, even on smooth pavement. The Tacoma is never going to be a Lexus, but that's fine with me. In fact, everything is fine with me. The Tacoma gets a sole score of 8. Unless you really need the space or towing ability of a larger truck, the Tacoma in most trim levels is perfect for your life, and I loved its engaging personality. I'm Mike from Machines with Souls. Please like and subscribe for weekly car reviews.